it's Saturday the 22nd, and we're on our way to the Miramar Air Show, now known as America's Air Show. And my speedometer is about to hit a really cool number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It changed! Look at that! Cool!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right, cool number. Here we are approaching the entrance to Miramar Base, and you can already hear the airplanes in the sky. Okay, so we made it to the show. It's just me and the boys though. Here's Benny. And there's Kaden.
No kids over there, nothing.
Really? So, as you can see, it's packed to the gills. We're gonna make our way over to the flight line. I thought he was gonna do it. Yeah. So it seems like we're almost there. Look at that crowd up front. This was one heck of a walk, and it is sunny today. I brought an umbrella, but it's not really doing much, unfortunately. Let's keep going, guys. So we finally made it. We're approaching the entrance. Just gonna look at it. All right, so now we're going into the actual gate. Okay, so after a lot of walking and a brief security checkpoint, we finally made it. This is where your mom was waiting whenever our plane flew back from Iraq. This is where they had the families wait behind there. And then when the plane landed and we started coming out, we all ran to each other. You guys want to go take a walk around then? A Valkyrie XQ-58. Tactical fighter jet. You can hear in the back over there the helicopter and a plane. This looks like something James Bond would fly.
Yeah, it looks like a drone.
A Defender.
You're not actually like being active propulsion with these guys, where you have thrusters and everything.
Very neat. I'm not even going to begin to guess what this is called, so that way I don't get called out. But we'll just go with plane. The plane in the back. It's kind of a sunny day today, and you can see people just lining up, finding shade wherever they can. Pretty genius. It's almost our turn to go in. And we're taking a look at that plane that's going up in the sky right now. Kaden says he thinks it's an F-18. that was a pretty cool pit stop. We're gonna go check out this medic truck because there's no line. Benny wants to see it. It's a Humvee. There goes the plane. Way over there. Okay, so we're walking over to Dee's tent over here. We went to the first aid booth to get some earplugs because those jets overhead were flying really loud. And after this, we're just going to check out a few more things, see a few more planes, and probably head back. But the boys seem to be having fun. Okay, it looks like these displays are all for police and law enforcement agencies. Yeah, Homeland Security, like Caleb said.
Whoa.
Collins Aerospace. Yeah, look at that. Look at that thing. Could you imagine getting chased down by that thing?
I want to see where
Look at this
it
thing.
holds the bomb. It's so cool.
The bomb bay doors are open. Check this monster out. I'm assuming its name is Doc. I'm over here, boys. Take a quick peek inside the bottom.
So this where bomb is?
The bomb bay doors, yeah. Look. Come on, this way too. That's so cool.
That's cool.
You guys happy now? Come on, let's get closer. Oh man, we just missed the explosions. Look at that. There's a helicopter carrying a Humvee over there. Oh, there goes one. Oh! Well, the boys wanted to see some explosions, and we saw a couple just now. Oh, there is a ring of smoke in the air.
extremely versatile and supports Marines on the ground by delivering critical supplies to austere landing strips, and Marines in the air by conducting aero refueling missions for jets, helicopters, and Ospreys. Despite its size, it uses more than 18,000 pounds of horsepower to take off and land on strips less than 3,000 feet long.
we spent a good 2 hours here. The boys had some fun watching the military equipment and explosions and stuff, but we're gonna head back to the car now. Back at the car, it took about 25 minutes to get here. It's hot, we're all miserable, but we had a good time, right guys? Yeah. All right, till next time. I hope you enjoyed America's Air Show.